Today we're gonna go put my new tires onto the wheels that I bought like a month ago. And I can't wait to see what they look like on the Ep3.
Gonna be switching from 215 35 17 to 215 45 17. Some Federal 595s.
Why don't you take it to the shop?
Cause you got things to do it. You sure it's the right side?
You should put the wheel under there just in case it falls.
Yeah. Oh, it's so light. Today, we're installing these coilovers. It's gonna be fun. This shit is heavy as fuck. Wait, this one is right. That one goes to the left. Got some RSX tie rod ends because these coilovers are for an RSX and an angle grinder to grind down these bushings because they are too big for the Ep3. Let's do that. Let me get to the rear. There you go. Oh my god. Look at this cameraman, bro. Someone paid this man. I swear to God. Nah, this is precious memory. Update. We got him off. And God bless. How you feeling, Dragon?
Fuck this shit right here.
Old car parts. I would say old Honda parts, but I feel like my 240 has a fair share of its pieces of work as well, if you know what I mean. Anyways, we're gonna get this on, and now we don't have to be worried so much that we have to have someone else come remove certain components off. But no, we know what the fuck we're doing. You know why? Because no flex. Oh, fucking no. We here though. We've gotten this far. He's just suggesting that little godforsaken bolt. I know it's gonna be a pain in the future, maybe too. But it will be what it will be. Ooh. Alright, let's get some good angles. Extendo. Don't want to pretend though. Wait, what just bent? Pyra? Oh. Where's the other wrench to the top? The other wrench?
The 19.
I have one here. I see a 14.
I'll use a crescent.
For real just now? Oh shit, bro. Fuck, Ripperino. What you think, bro?
It's nice.
Yeah. It's not that low, not too high. I mean, it is pretty lower than factory. Definitely, hands down.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's hella numb.
Fuck Jeeps. What if I bought some rims for my Jeep? Would like just look better than the factory ones?
Yeah. Sure.
Damn, bro. Drive it like you stole it. Look at that hatch. Wait, is Dragon in the passenger seat? I think he is in the passenger seat. Damn, look at how low his fucking hatch is, bro. That shit's sexy. They're sexy. Sure. My boy taking a couple beauty pics. And here we go. The Civic Ep3.
This is where
The fronts. Yeah. Fronts are higher.
they're really talking about how the front are lower. What the fuck?
Didn't he say he maxed out the rears?
Yeah, the rears are max.
Yeah. Damn, low. Whose shit is this? Yeah, but I'm really digging the silver on silver. It's growing on me.